am telling about the cats and a monkey story. Once upon a time, there were two cats. They were good friends. They got a piece of bread while sharing. They made big and small pieces, so they began to fight the bigger piece. At the same time, a monkey saw them fighting. The monkey said they will share it equal. He bit the bigger piece to make it equal. Again it bit the other bigger piece to make it equal. Bit by bit he ate the whole bread and went away happily. The poor cats lost the bread. Moral: we must learn to share what we have.